almost 6 decades after independence, the National Development Planning Commission, NDPC, on behalf of Ghanaians, is facilitating a process to put in place a long-term development plan for the people of Ghana. The problem the PNC has with this position is that it has taken us close to 60 years to come to terms that we would want to develop this country based on a sustainable long-term development plan. But the good news is that it's better late than never. We have a very straightforward position on this. One, we believe in long-term planning and will therefore provide the needed support for the process. We are happy with the participatory approach and the inclusive nature of the process and methodology for a long-term development plan. We also endorse the team-building spirit that the NDPC is facilitating to strengthen relationship between political parties on one hand and the NDPC and all other stakeholders. We are very positive that this process will lead to the preparation of a long-term comprehensive development plan that will reflect the aspirations and development interests of this country. As a party, what we cannot guarantee is discipline in implementing the program or a long-term development plan if it is put in place. We are saying this because we need a more disciplined system to discipline ourselves and get a plan well executed. The only way the PNC can guarantee success for a long-term development plan, it is when we get the mandate to steer the affairs of this country, then we can guarantee successful implementation of this plan. Indeed, a long-term development plan is not a panacea for success for countries. We have gone on with successive stories of long-term development plans, but many more plans have fallen flat than success stories. And we know the reason why this is happening. This we have not been able to achieve because of certain minor ingredients that we call the development imperatives of every country. And these that has nothing to do with injection of massive capital to ensure development. Why countries have failed, including Ghana, is because of issues that are under our control. For instance, discipline in terms of time. Madam Chairman, God would give Ghana 24 hours every day and will give the United States of America 24 hours every day. But Ghanaians will mismanage our time. We cannot import time. That is critical. Madam Chairperson, we need to know. At this point, we have to talk tough to get things going. This program was supposed to start at 9. We ended up starting late. Why? Because politicians and leadership have not given us the time to start, and they have always wasted our time. That is why Ghana is here today. We need to do the right things. There's a lot the PNC can offer this country, but time is not on our side, and I'm talking about time. So I'll end here. Thanks to everybody, and God bless Ghana.